An appeal this evening for public assistance for a Linstead woman to find a proper place to live. Details in this report.
Since September 25, 2020, Christine Richards says her life has been on a downward spiral, starting with a fire that destroyed her house in Victoria Linstead, St. Catherine.
2-bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and we were doing addition.
She has 5 children, 9 to 27 years old, and lost school supplies, including electronic devices, and all her possession in the fire.
We were paying rent, but we were told that the house was up for sale. So we have to find somewhere else to go.
The Community Development Committee, CDC, in Linstead has helped her locate lands to lease for $40,000 a year, but with mounting medical bills, she cannot afford it. And that brings us to the second dilemma that struck shortly after the fire.
I was told I had a cancer rather, and I did a surgery and I got a stroke. So now it is even more worse than before.
Ms. Richards has a brain tumor with a $19,875 price tag for radiation treatment in Florida.
Then they did the surgery and I got a stroke from then. I actually ended up doing 2 surgeries because I also got blood clot after a while.
She's since been trying to do simple things like going to the bathroom on her own, but says she still has to find the money to pay her bill when she returns to Florida for the follow-up visit in February next year, which is why she turned to the public to help her get a proper place to live and even find the airfare for her next medical visit. If you want to help Christine Richards, you may contact the Linstead CDC at 876-403-0310. That's 876-403-0310. Aisha Nation, TVJ News.